Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix login not working on Ladder. So if you can't log into Ladder on iPhone, it's usually caused by the wrong login method and password issue or Apple ID mismatch. So actually guys, first you will need to check how you originally signed up. So this is the most common issue. If you used Apple sign in, you must tap continue with Apple right here or sign in with Apple. And if you used email and password, don't use the Apple login and vice versa. So actually, to have the access to Ladder, not going with the Apple, we will need to be using another phone like the Android, Xiaomi, Huawei, etc., or even Samsung. So that's what we call the email plus password method. So you will need to go at the top of the password field or blank and just tap on an option that you can find right there. It says forget password. It's a question, so it's on the login screen, and then just enter your email, follow the reset link sent to your inbox, and try logging in again. So if that's not the issue, so you will need just to check your internet connection. So go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, and even you can turn the airplane mode on then off, and avoid the VPNs during the login. Also guys, I really advise you to first close the app, and to do that you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app, so that way you close it completely, and then just reopen it and try logging in again. So guys, if that doesn't help, you will need to restart your iPhone. So this fixes temporary authentication or system glitches. And as the last fix, you can just go ahead and reinstall the app. So delete it, restart your iPhone, reinstall it from Apple App Store and try logging it again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.